Hey guys, what's up? My name is Akash. Welcome to our channel Correct Delhi, and today I'm with
Shubham, and we are back with another video that is
Spreading Happiness. So let's go.
Excuse me?
Yes.
You're looking beautiful.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile,
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Excuse me?
Yes.
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
You're actually looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Excuse me, girls. I can't take my eyes off. Actually, you are looking very beautiful.
I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
thank you guys for watching our video,
And we are trying our best to be at that utmost level of everyone's expectation.
and thank you for your wonderful support,
If you liked our video, please hit the like button.
and please do subscribe to our channel.
You can also share your views in the comment section below. This is our last video before Diwali, so we wish you a very happy and safe Diwali from Team Correct Delhi.